Understanding, Ground Oneself, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, ground oneself. This expression is widely used in English and carries a special meaning. Let's explore what it means to ground oneself, its usage, and examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Ground oneself is a metaphorical phrase that means to calm and stabilize one's emotions or thoughts. When someone says they need to ground themselves, they are implying that they need to regain a sense of balance, focus, and calmness in their mind or emotions. It's often used in situations of stress or anxiety to denote seeking a return to a state of normalcy and emotional stability. The term, ground oneself, originates from the physical concept of being firmly planted on the ground. Just as a building needs a solid foundation to stay upright, a person needs emotional and mental stability to function effectively. The phrase borrows from this imagery, suggesting that grounding oneself is akin to finding an emotional or mental foundation or anchor. 1. After a hectic day at work, I practice yoga to ground myself. 2. When he feels overwhelmed, he grounds himself by taking a walk in nature. 3. In times of crisis, it's important to ground oneself to think clearly. Notice how the phrase is used to describe actions that bring about calmness and balance. Here are some similar phrases and synonyms. Center oneself, find one's bearings, stabilize one's emotions. These phrases convey a similar meaning and can be used interchangeably in many contexts. Practice deep breathing. It helps in reducing stress and regaining focus. Engage in physical activity, like walking or yoga, to help distract from overwhelming thoughts. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors to feel more grounded and peaceful. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, ground oneself, and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, grounding yourself is about finding your emotional and mental balance, especially in challenging times. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning session.